But Gracey can't come over here for me.
You know what's our beer?
You Miss Birdie.
Beer.
Gracey can't be Miss Birdie.
Sit there.
Watch there. Idiot.
So when this tastes like, how are this now? Why, what about this like special?
Cut it right now, I'm going to eat Miss Birdie bun.
This is for Max and this is for you. Try the pineapple bola.
Oh. Hey! Open up that birdie bun. Alright, so my friend carry Miss Birdie bun for me. I'm going to cut it right away.
2 kids stuff, yeah.
You need to work at Canada, Grace.
Younger thought it too busy.
No,
yeah, I tried it last time when me and Dwayne go. You and Dwayne go back, you know, since the whole we did go over there now.
One salty, man.
Let me tell you, because I'm not even buying none for myself. Me everybody, me here. And you tell me.
If I buy the bun with a scandal, you.
Move your nasty self from ya. Scandal me for bun.
What you mean? Let me tell you, that's all I want from you.
I don't know what the hell me have to walk and ask people, what is Miss Birdie bun?
Bombard style.
Because you know